Good evening, Commissioners. I'm Chris Phillips, and I live at 504 Beach Street in Greensboro. At the January 19th Board of Commissioners meeting, you were urged to dig deep into the details of the budget for 2013, and I would like to expand on that request. It is not always how much you spend, but it is always how you spend it. The media routinely tags conservatives as greedy and heartless, while liberals are branded with giving money away. Neither is correct. Proponents of both philosophies want a better life for their citizens, but it's how we achieve that goal that causes the deadlock in the governments we have today, both on the local and national level. In 1996, President Bill Clinton, a liberal, faced a burgeoning debt and the Great Society legislation that generated more children into poverty than ever before. He faced an opposition from a conservative Congress that demanded welfare reform. Twice he vetoed reduction bills, and a veto override was imminent. He was saved by the advice of a very intelligent economist on his staff. That economist said that in order to reduce poverty and at the same time reduce the national debt, legislation had to address and support three lifestyle changes for those living in poverty. First, get a high school education. Secondly, do not have children until marriage. And thirdly, do not get married before the age of 20 years old. People adhering to these three things had an 80% track record of escaping poverty, as did their next generation. President Clinton was successful in following this advice, and he signed into law the legislation that would encourage these three basic premises, and as a result, child poverty and debt decreased. The lesson for us, and especially for our commissioners, is to understand whether the method of how county tax dollars are being spent promotes more need and dependence or generates the opportunity, encouragement, and yes, the push to become self-sufficient. And as you hear these requests this year for more funds from county departments, agencies, and nonprofits, please ask yourselves if the money will be directed towards enabling future self-sufficiency or towards enabling increased dependency and a huge appetite for ever-increasing funding. Thank you.
Thank you very much.